You know, a lot of people, they just know English, but they can't speak English. Okay, and this is the common problem of, you know, of our beginners who are exactly learning English and who know English a lot, who know vocabularies, who know a lot of structures, but they exactly can't speak in English. So what's happened here? You know, we learn English, it's okay, but we don't practice in our real life and we don't use them in our practical life. So that's why we are learning English, but we are not being able to speak English fluently and we are not being able to make a conversation. Okay, so this is the common problem. So what we have to do, we have to learn English, it's okay, and we are learning English, it's okay, but when we are learning English, and we have to think at the same time that we have to use them in our real life. For example, today, suppose today I learned how to, you know, make sentence by present indefinite sentence. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to make a lot of sentence by present indefinite. For example, right now in front of me I can see our cow, so I have to make a sentence like this. I can see a cow which is really beautiful. Okay, and also I can make a lot of sentence like I go to college, I don't go to college, and I can make the situation for making the sentence. And we can think like I mean, we have to make a lot of sentences by making, I mean, by present indefinite, and we have to use them in our real life. In our real life, what we exactly do, we have to think in English and we have to use them in our real life. Like we, for example, I go to college, I don't go to college. Okay, and I can make sentence like I eat fish, but my friend he doesn't eat fish, and my mom doesn't eat fish. So like this we can make a lot of sentence. So this is the way to practice English, to learn English. But unfortunately, we know, I mean, I especially know a lot of people who are exactly, you know, learning English, you know, just for memorizing. I mean, they are memorizing English, but they are not using English in the real life. So this is the common problem. So when we are not making, I mean, when we are not learning English practically, we are not being able to make a conversation. And when we are making the conversation, maybe some of them, you know, he or she exactly, you know, asking you a question, but you are not able to give her or his, you know, the answer. So what's happened? You are not being able to speak and you are not being able to make a conversation. But we have to remember that we are learning English for making a conversation, for talking to each other, you know, for meeting with foreigner people, and for having a good job. But at job we have to speak to each other. So this is the common, and for this we are learning English. But if we are not able to speak with someone, so what's the value of learning English? You know, so this is the, I mean, this is the thing. So we have to learn English practically and we have to use them in our practical life. Okay, so no more today. If you like this video, please share with your friend to be a good speaker, to speak, I mean, for being a, you know, for being able to speak English. Okay, so have a good day and take care of yourself. Bye bye.